I don't know if you remember this post 4 days ago made by comedian Gospower, popularly known as Flower Boy. Just watch it.
Now who collect scissors, they collect house. So
So wait. Let me add to it. Remember, I used to always tell my people to always buy house for their parents in the town instead of building house in the village. So our parents are aged and they don't mostly have new friends or go out to grind and hustle, right? So they need an eco-friendly living where they are already familiar with to be able to stay active in the community. And this location has to be accessible to good amenities like hospital, pharmacy, shopping mall, market, schools, and many others. Need care, so you need to make sure that these amenities is available in where you're buying this house for them. If you cannot buy new house, new houses are more expensive. If you can buy new house in that location, perfect. But if you cannot buy a new house, you can also buy a fairly used house that is in a good condition and renovate it to fit your own taste. This will not only make that house your own design, it will also be 30% cheaper to a new house, right? When you buy fairly used, you renovate, when you check everything, it will be 30% cheaper than buying a new house. But you also get to enjoy the design because you're the one putting the design. So you get to choose how it's going to be. Not like buying the already finished house with another person's design, which you like, preferably, if you know what I mean. And also you'll be buying it in a good location because buying a fairly used house, you already know that they already have a living community. So you have all those amenities that are already there, right? If this video helped you, kindly share this video to 2 persons in your contact that you know that can buy house for their mother this year. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this video, okay? And also let me know that you have watched it. Give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.